Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Repeat the first 2 counts of section 1 of the opening, then throw your arms out to either side as you hop over to the right, keeping your feet apart. Bend your left knee a bit and bring your right hand up as you move your head back sharply. Hop back to the left and bring your left hand up as you move your head to the left sharply. Repeat counts 5 and 6 of section 1 of the opening, then twirl your hands up near your shoulders as you bring your right foot over to meet your left foot. Twirl your hands down and clap behind your back as you kick forward with your left foot, then bring your left foot back down and twirl your hands up again before lowering your fists, then pulling them up near your chest. Cross your right foot over your left foot and turn both heels in as you bring your arms up with your elbows pointing out and your left arm in front of you. Now cross your left foot over your right foot and turn your heels in again as you switch the positions of your arms before quickly reversing these moves until you are facing the camera with your feet together. Stay in this position for 2 counts, then repeat the first 2 counts in the opposite direction. Wait for 1 count, then twirl your hands up near your shoulders before bending your elbows to bring your left arm in front of you and your right arm back as you bend both knees outward, then back in. Step in place on your right foot, then step over to the left on your left foot as you curve your right arm in before stepping behind your left foot with your right foot. Repeat this move in the opposite direction, then repeat it to the left again. Hop in place on your left foot and step out with your right foot, keeping your toes up as you bring your left arm up with your elbow bent. Then step back on your right foot as you bring your left foot forward with your toes up and your right arm up. Bring your right foot over to meet your left foot as you turn your right knee to the left and bring your left arm up. Lower your left arm and bring your right arm up as you turn your left knee to the right and move your feet so that your toes are pointing to the right. Turn your heels to the right and your knees to the left as you bring your left arm up, then turn your heels and knees again and bring your right arm up. While facing slightly to the right, bring your fists in near your chest with your elbows pointing out to either side, then hop backward, then forward twice as you push out with your fists. Turn slightly to the left and repeat this move. Turn to face the camera again and kick out with your left foot before bringing it back down, then turn your knees out, then back in. Do this move again. Jump slightly to separate your feet as you extend your left arm up into the left and your right arm down into the right, then bring your feet back together before repeating this move in the opposite direction. Lower your arms as you cross your right foot over your left foot, then turn to the left until you are facing the camera again. Hop on your right foot and kick forward with your left foot as you extend both arms toward the camera, then move your hands in as you cross your left foot over your right foot before stepping over to the right with your right foot and extending your arms out to either side. Repeat this move in the opposite direction. Take 4 steps around to the right, starting on the left foot and clapping on the last step. Step over to the left with your left foot as you bend your right elbow to bring your right fist up near your shoulder, then lower your arm as you bring your right foot over to meet your left foot. Repeat this move in the opposite direction. Step over to the left with your left foot as you extend your right arm up and to the right and your left arm down and to the left, then step in place on your right foot as you bring both hands down to your right hip. Repeat this move, then repeat the last 4 counts of section 3 of part 1. Repeat section 1 of part 2. Repeat the first 10 counts of section 2 of part 2, then move your left foot over to the left again as you bring your right hand up with your palm facing to the left. Bend your knees as you look down and slowly move your right hand forward and down. Jump slightly to bring your feet together and bring both arms up, keeping your elbows bent so that your hands are level with your head. Step back on your right foot as you punch over to the right with your left fist and punch over to the left with your right fist, crossing your right arm over your left arm. Turn to the right and step in place on your left foot as you twirl your hands up near your shoulders. Move your fists down near your hips, then bend your elbows, bringing your fists up near your chest. Turn to face the camera again and extend your left arm straight out toward the camera with your palm facing out as you cross your right foot over your left foot and punch over to the right with your right fist, then bring it back in. Hop slightly to bring your feet apart as you punch over to the right with your right fist again. Hop again to bring your feet together as you twirl your hands up near your shoulders, then back down, then pull your fists up near your chest. Put your left hand behind your back and twirl your right hand up near your right shoulder as you step over to the left with your left foot. Bring your left foot back in, then step over to the right on your right foot as you cross your arms in front of you with your right arm over your left arm. Bring your right foot back in as you twirl both hands up near your shoulders. Jump up, bringing your right foot up first as you extend both arms straight out to either side. Once you land, pull your fist up near your chest, then hop slightly to bring your feet apart as you punch out to the right with your right fist. Bring your right fist up near the right side of your head, then bring your left fist up as well, but make sure it's lower than your right fist. Lean down and to the left. Step back in with your left foot as you twirl your hands up near your shoulders, then bring your right foot back in as you clap behind your back. Twirl your right hand up near your shoulder as you jump up, bringing your right foot up first, then bring your hands in near your chest as you lift your left knee up further before you land. Extend your arms out to either side, then immediately twirl both hands up near your shoulders. Twirl your fists down, then pull them up so that they are near your chest. Punch over to the right with your right fist as you step over to the left with your left foot, then bring your left foot back in as you twirl your right hand up near your right shoulder. Punch over to the left with your right fist as you hop on your right foot and swing your left foot back, then punch out toward the camera as you step behind your right foot with your left foot. Twirl your right hand near your right shoulder as you turn to the left until you are facing the camera again. Then lower your right hand and point up and to the left with your left hand. Bend both elbows so that your hands, with your palms facing in, are level with your face. Lower your arms, then bring your hands up near your chest with your elbows pointing out to either side. Step out to the left with your left foot as you extend your right arm up and to the right, then bring your left foot back in as you twirl your right hand up near your right shoulder. Bring both arms in front of you, then move them down and out, then up slowly. Step in place on your right foot, then step over to the left with your left foot before stepping behind your left foot with your right foot and turning to the right. Step in place on your left foot as you move your right foot out with your toes pointing up and bring your left arm up. Then step back on your right foot as you bring your right arm up and move your left foot out with your toes pointing up. Hop slightly to bring your left foot back, then step forward on your right, then left foot before turning to face the camera and planting your right foot, then clapping and planting your left foot. Repeat the last 4 counts of Section 3 of Part 1. Repeat Section 1 of Part 2, then repeat the first 6 counts of Section 2 of Part 2. With your left hand behind your back, step over to the left with your left foot as you twirl your right hand up near your shoulder. Twirl your hand back down as you bring your left foot back in, then step over to the right with your right foot and cross your arms in front of you with your right arm above your left arm. Bring your right foot back in as you twirl both hands up near your shoulders, then twirl them down and clap behind your back as you step in place on your left foot. Repeat the first count of this section again, then bring your right foot back in as you move your right arm behind you and twirl it up, then around in front of you before bringing your hands together and lifting your right knee up. Bring your right foot down as you bend your left knee to bring your left foot up behind you, then turn your leg so that your knee is pointing up. Bring your left foot down, then repeat this move on the right, then the left, then the right. When you bring your right foot down, bring your left knee up and point up and to the right with your right hand, then lower your left foot and bring your right knee up as you point up and to the left with your left hand. Hop on your left foot as you kick out with your right foot, then bring your right foot down and step behind it with your left foot as you look to the right and swing your left arm to the right. Repeat this move in the opposite direction. Step over to the right with your right foot as you swing your right arm over to the right and behind you, then step around with your left foot so your back is to the camera as you swing your left arm to the right as well. Step back with your right foot as you swing your right arm to the right again and begin turning to the right, then bring your left foot up to meet your right foot as you swing your left arm to the right. Step over to the left with your left foot as you swing your left arm down and to the left, then step behind your left foot with your right foot and swing your right arm down and to the left as you look to the left. Repeat this move in the opposite direction. Plant your left foot and extend your left arm over to the right with your palm facing out, then slowly move your arm to the left. Move your right arm up as you step in place on your left foot, then roll your body as you pull your right arm down and bring your right foot over to meet your left foot. Repeat this move in the opposite direction, then plant your left foot, extend your right arm forward, and move it up slowly before bringing your hand in front of your face, with your thumb, index finger, and little finger extended and your palm facing out. Repeat Section 1 of the opening. Repeat the first 6 counts of Section 2 of the opening. Then jump slightly, crossing your right foot over your left foot as you extend your arms straight out to either side. Then turn to the left until your back is to the camera and lower your arms. Move both arms to the right with your right arm straight out and your left elbow bent so that your hand is near your face as you bring the toes of your right foot up. Hop slightly so that both feet are together and flat on the ground with your toes pointing forward as you spin both arms in a counterclockwise circle. Now hop slightly again and extend your left arm straight out to the left as you bend your right elbow so that your hand is near your face and bring the toes of your left foot up. End by tilting your head to the left.